Understanding the phrase, butt out, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, butt out. This might sound a bit quirky, but it's a handy expression to understand in everyday conversation. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some interesting nuances that come with it. First things first. What does butt out actually mean? This phrase is an informal way of telling someone to stop interfering in a situation or conversation. It's akin to saying, mind your own business, or stay out of it. While it can be useful, be mindful that it's a bit blunt and might be considered rude in some contexts. Let's see butt out in action. This phrase is often used in casual conversations among friends or family, and less so in formal settings. Example 1. I wish my neighbor would butt out and stop giving me gardening advice. Example 2. Hey, could you butt out? We're trying to have a private conversation. Notice how in these examples, the phrase is used to express frustration or desire for privacy. It's important to know when not to use butt out. Avoid this phrase in professional or formal settings, as it can come across as disrespectful or too informal. Also, be cautious when speaking to someone you don't know well, as it might offend them. Butt out is predominantly used in American English and might not be as commonly understood in other English-speaking countries. It's a part of slang or informal language and reflects a direct and straightforward communication style. If you need a more polite or formal way to convey the same message, consider these alternatives. Please, could you give us some privacy? I appreciate your interest, but I can handle this on my own. I think it's best if we handle this among ourselves. These phrases are less direct and more respectful, suitable for a wider range of situations. And that's a wrap on butt out. I hope this video has shed light on this unique and expressive phrase in the English language. Remember, while it's a handy expression, use it judiciously and consider the context. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.